What's he doing? What's he doing? What is Martin doing, guys? Okay. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've played against our good friend, the Martin bot on chess.com. He's rated 250, and I'm going to give him all of these pawns, but there's a special rule which is even better for Martin, and that rule is I am not allowed to take any of his pawns. I have to checkmate him, but I'm not allowed to take the pawns. Now, if they become another piece, then I can take them, but if they are a pawn, I am not allowed to take them. Okay, so that's going to make it very difficult for me to checkmate him. I'm going to do this position, then I'm going to do this position with the rooks, and then I'm going to finish off with the knights, which I think will be very difficult, but we will see. So let's go ahead and get started right here. Queen against the pawns. Remember, I'm not allowed to take them. Good luck, Martin. I think I'm going to start by just bringing my king over, just to get it into position. Now, if he pushes one of these, I could take it, but that's probably not going to end well. All right, the king is in position. Okay, I could take it. The question is he going to take me? But I think he's smart enough to see that. It's funny, the eval bar is showing I'm winning because I could take that, except I'm not allowed to take that. Big decision here, guys. I'm going to go for it and hope that Martin doesn't see it. He gets a rook. Wow, 250 rated bot is trying to show off by under promoting to a rook. Well, I guess we got to try again. We lost. All right, let's restart. Okay, Martin, I'm gonna go with the same strategy. I think bring the king over. Maybe I'll just make him think I'm gonna stop these pawns. Ooh, now I actually could, because if he pushes one, I'll take it. Let's bring the king again. Yeah, let's go here. And he gets the queen. Okay. This is where it gets difficult, because what do I do? Oh, no. Is he going to take my queen? Maybe he won't see it. Martin! Okay, let's try it again. Hold on. Somehow, we have to trick Martin into making a mistake. How could I do that? No, that's not it. He's just playing good moves. He's not letting the queen in. He gets a rook again. Look at this guy. Well, it seems pretty obvious he's smart enough to see that, so I better not go there. Let's come here. Okay, let's bring the king over. Ooh, okay. Okay, I might be able to pull this off. Question is, should I go for it now? Or should I wait and see what he does? It's going to be 2 moves of potentially losing my queen. That's super risky. I'm going to go for it. How did Martin get so good? I thought 250s are supposed to, like, not see that stuff. Let's try it again. That almost worked, though. Let's see if we can do this again. I hope that he just makes an opening somewhere. And then I have to take advantage of it. Okay. Let's see if I can scare him with my king a little bit. No, he's not going to bite. Let's go this way. Okay. Let's come here. He gets a rook. Let's bring the king over. All right. I need him to push another pawn. Let's just play patiently here. Okay. Let's go over here. He is pushing pawns. Uh-oh. That's not a good move for me. Let's go here. Okay, okay, there's an opening there, but I can't get there right now. Can't really move my queen anywhere. He actually trapped my queen. Martin trapped my queen. Mate in 3, mate in 2. He's going to try to checkmate me. Oh, he's going to see it too. Well, let's see. Let's go here just to see what he does. This is hard. All right, let's try it again. I need him to make an opening with the pawns somewhere. That's not it. Nope, that's not it. What if I go? No, he'll take it for sure. Come on, dude, I'm attacking your pawn. You need to move it. No, he's just going to get the queens on me. Just going to get the queens. He's getting so many queens. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's what I wanted. The question is he's going to see it. He's totally gonna, I have to try though, right? Yeah, I have to go for it. Let's try it again. I'm gonna keep trying. Let's go straight for the king. Okay, he goes there. Let's come up here. Let's come here. Okay, now we bring the king. Bring the king. Okay, he's doing something different. Nope, there he goes again. Gets the queen every time. Okay. Okay. See, he's not moving any of those pawns. I actually didn't see that. I legitimately didn't see that. Okay. Martin, I might have to resign this one. I don't see a way through. Martin is too strong. He knows how to use his pawns. He's got all his pawns, and he's not afraid to use them. And he doesn't just give away queens. He always sets it up first with the capture. All right, I'm going to take a chance this time. Man, all right, dude. Last time. This is my last time. Then I'm going to the next position. I'm about to resign against Martin. Gets a rook. Guy's toying with me. He's toying with me. Oh! Oh! Let's see. What is he going to do? So close. So close. Man, why did he move there? He had so many pawns he could have pushed. He could have pushed like any of these things. Oh, I can take a chance that he won't take my queen, but I mean, he's Martin. He's going to take the queen. He's not going to go back. Let's move my king over. What's he doing? What's he doing? What? What is Martin doing, guys? Okay. This is like super close. If I go here, he has to take me. He's probably going to take with the pawns. It seems like he's pretty good about doing that. Let me just go here. Oh, I can take this. It's not a pawn. Oh, yes. I can take this. Okay. Okay. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. Let's go here. How do I get through? How do I get through? Let's go here. Oh, why did I do that? I'm blundering more than Martin is. Okay, I'm gonna do again. I know I said that was the last time, but that was actually really close because he made it a way for me to get through. What's he? It's really hard to predict what Martin's gonna play. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Ooh, I'm gonna go here and hope. Oh! Oh! Did we just do it? Oh, but my king is in the way. Wait a minute. I could walk my king back and then go like this. If I go here, I'm stuck. I'm basically stuck unless he moves his king, which he may or may not do. I better just go for the safe route of bring my king back. Yes. Bring the queen in. Yes. Bring the queen over. Oh, yes. Come on, Martin. Come on. That's it. That's it. Yes. Okay, I have to say, in Martin's defense, he put up quite a fight. I mean, that was not easy. So, well played, Martin. You're getting better. I wouldn't be surprised if chess.com updates your rating one of these days to a higher number. But for now, let's go over here. Let me practice versus the computer. And no, I'm not practicing against the maximum level, so we're going to change that to Martin. And here we go. All right, so same issue. Checkmate the king, but how did my rooks get through? Let's just take our time. And Martin's going to have to move a pawn eventually. He's going to have to. There we go. But my rooks still can't get through. Okay, let's just be patient. I don't know, let's go here. Ooh, that's a cool move. Oh, he fell for my trick. Sorry, my friend. That was actually too easy. Queen was very difficult. This was really easy. And let's see how the knights are going to be. I feel like this is going to be difficult because even just checkmating with 4 knights is not easy. But the fact that I can't take any of the pawns, yeah, that could be a problem. Remember, I can't take the... Oh, I'm not playing Martin yet. Hold on. Oh, no. Not now. not right now. This is going to have to be a part of the video. So why is chess.com crashing? Well, Lovey can tell you right there. And I am subscribed, by the way, if you were wondering. Okay, well, let's just give it a few minutes and we'll try again, and then we might have to do a part 2 of this video with the knights. And we're back. All right. So let's go change the bot to Martin. Here we go. All right. That wasn't too bad. Let's move my king, I guess. I don't really know. This is not going to be easy. We got to get our knights behind the pawns somehow without taking the pawns, and figure out a way to checkmate Martin. I'm going to just play patiently for right now until I see a way to get in. Maybe here. Okay. He's attacking my knight. I guess I should go back. Let's go here. Okay, let's go back. Maybe we can jump in here. Nope, he stopped that. Okay. Martin, you might want to move some more pawns. There you go. All right. Good. Okay, we can sink something in there. That's a fork, but he didn't see it. Okay, I need Martin to move some more pawns. There we go. All right. Basically, my plan is to get my knights behind the pawns, first of all. And then we can try to checkmate him. So let's go here. Okay. Ooh. Dude, why did you do that? Now I can't go there. Man, okay. That was a really annoying move by Martin. It's almost like he knows the rules, even though he doesn't know the rules. Okay, here. Can't quite get there yet, but maybe eventually. Let's try to position for that. Should I take a chance? I don't really want to give up a knight. Unless I have to. Okay, can I get through? No, I can't. I could... If he doesn't take me, I could get through there. Or I could sacrifice... No. Let's just wait. Let's just be patient. Wait for your moment here. There you go. Let's save this guy. Let's bring this knight in. Oh, but he still can't go any further. Okay, let's go over here. Let's go here. 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 Okay, I can take that. It's not a pawn. So thank you, Martin. Appreciate that. Doesn't he want to, like, push some more pawns? What's he doing? What are you doing, Martin? What are you doing, my friend? There you go. Now, how do I get this knight into the game? I'm going to need it, I think. Let's move this one back here. I don't know why, just because I can. Let's put it over here. Okay. Let's go here. Uh-oh. Oh, this is getting difficult. I need another way to get another knight in. Problem is this one's kind of stuck here unless he moves this pawn, but he's not doing it. Why is he not doing it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I was afraid of that. It's mate in 3. Man. Mate in 4. Okay, so he messed that up a little bit. Oh, that's... I'm gonna put him in check. Maybe he won't see that he can take me. Nope, he saw it. Okay. Yeah, this is hard. This is really hard. This is the most difficult one for sure. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Unless he, like, creates an opening for my knights to get through. Not doing. Let's come over here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. There's one. So let's go ahead and put that one back there. That's a good start. Let's go for one of these squares, maybe. Okay, don't go for my knight. Dude, Martin. There you go. Okay, there we go. Oh, all right, so I can get this one in. And I can actually, let's try to get this one in here. Yes. Because I think if I can get all my knights back there, I can probably checkmate him. Yeah, this is actually going very nicely now. we'll go here and here and here. There we go. Okay. So, question is, how do we checkmate now? I've got him back there. I don't want to move these right now. I can move this one. Don't have a ton of room to work with, but as he pushes pawns, that's going to change. That's going to change. So let's just wait a little bit. Use my king to kind of stop some of this. Okay, now I can... If I had my knight right here, if this knight was right there, that would be checkmate, wouldn't it? Here, here, here. So this is what I want to do. Sorry. Is that checkmate? That is. No, it's not. He can go here. Oh. Wait, so I need this knight to be there. And that would be checkmate. So how do I get that knight there and then this knight here? That's the big question. Let's move this one for now. Is that what I want to... Yeah, I think I want to move this one. And then relocate this guy. And then let me think about this. So I want... Actually, this would work too, wouldn't it? If there was a knight there, that would be checkmate. That would be checkmate. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. That's a cool looking checkmate. You gotta admit. That's pretty cool. All right, Martin. Good games. Better luck next time. You guys have ideas for how I can beat Martin? Let me know. Hope you had fun with this one. I did. It's always fun to play against my good friend Martin. Stay sharp, play smart. Take care.